designs for not only for these custom graphics, but he also designed them to match this canopy behind us. I really appreciate it. If you guys want to meet us this weekend at the Sandsport Super Swap Show, we will be raffling off another custom graphic set. Shout out to Riz Designs. We'll be at booth 1102 at the Sandsport Super Swap Show this weekend. Come by and say what's up. It'll be awesome. It's from 8 to 2 at the OC Fairgrounds. Hope to see you there. Devin just put a brand new top end in there.
Not just that, big board too.
Yeah, it's just what Devin needs, more power. Devin got his new truck. Here's the setup. Put some 35s on there. Lifted it a little bit. Sitting good. Let's roll. And mark our spot. Talk about a dream setup. That's sick. Look at that. That truck is badass. Gotta make sure we get the essentials. You know what I'm saying? Boom. We here. The camera does not do it justice, so you can kind of see. Oh, putting that four-wheel to the test.
That's good.
Nice. We made it.
Damn, Devin. Holy.
Hey, we out here still.
See what the 480 can do. Look at that roof though. I'm good, baby. We're back. Woo! It's spotted, baby. I love it. Whoopsie! This thing wants to go. That power's so instant. So glad I went with the big bore.
Thumb up that jacket.
Oh yeah,
Look at that. Living that Glamis life. Let's go.
Comfy, buy some.
I like it. UltraProductions.com.
Objectproduction.com.
Go time, baby. We out here, baby. Come on.
How's the bike feeling?
It's unbelievable.
Really?
Doing big bore a long time ago.
Yeah, I'm getting roosted like a mother behind you. I got a sandwich. I'm good on food. I earned this beer. What the hell is that thing? Sweet truck. sends it down it. That guy's stupid. Damn. Nice ride. Thing is sick. Yeah, with the dog too. Damn. Yeah. Damn! Alright, that jump's way better. Damn! Damn!
Let's go, baby! Thanks, Cole! Yeah! Let's go! Yeah! Man, this girl can ride! Oh, holy! Alright, we got a little incident. As you know, there's never a dull moment out here. Had a homie come in, jumped that into that bowl, throttle stuck, and sent it up there. You guys alright? Y'all good?
And I honestly, I was like, this is kind of fun. I apparently have.
Man, you guys should have seen our view. Holy sh!
Yeah?
The first one was a nice send into that little ditch, and then the throttle kept going. I was like, uh-oh. Throttle stuck? It looked like it.
It looked like
It looked like it, for sure.
trying to do that.
I might have to go try and jump that my damn self.
Yeah, hell yeah. Beat that record without the mark.
Alright, let's go. Did I beat the record?
Nice! That made your throttle, fucker.
I'm done.
Devin's extra horned up today.
A little horny for the deal. Can you blame me?
Nah, it's beautiful.
Sexy as Sorry, kids. Whoopsie.
Oh,
There he goes.
that was a close call.
Almost took him out. Almost up that new knee.
I thought I was going down.
I know, I did too.
Sunset Hill, enjoying the nice sunset. Drinking a nice cold one. Repping the Glamis joint.
Come on.
Uh-oh.
That was the biggest puff ever.
Oh, Anthony goes down. Oh.
Damn it. Dude,
We got a first aid kit, baby.
comment down below if you know what video that was from.
I have a whole 12 of my friends.
That is awesome.
Woo! Look at that, kids.
Oh, the first aid
Comes
kit
fully
comes.
loaded. Oh, yeah.
That's awesome. Safety first.
Yeah, safety first, guys.
Real high heel to be feel. Plus got them Gucci nails.
Put that phone down.
Come on, sing.
Living the vida loca.
There you go.
Bust out my old handy box.
Don't tell me this is so.
I got a new truck, but I kept my old battery.
It's crazy. It starts every time.
Yeah. No jumper needed. No jumper needed. You guys weren't supposed to see this.
We're back at it again.
It's not even dead. I just want to jump it.
Oh, you already charged up the charger box. I get it now.
Yeah.
It's charging the box.
This is freak. You can't make this shit up. Got it running. The homie just launched his car. Insert video here. There's a little walk around. Look at this motor. Sheesh.
God damn.
Whoopsie. Yeah. Hold on.
Oh, your legs on
Alright. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you.
You good?
Yeah. A little bit. I didn't know who was right behind me.
I didn't know if he was gonna run you over. That's what I was nervous about.
we were.
I'm done.
You're done?
Yeah, my valve stem sliced the hole in it. It's really flat.
Yeah, you are done then.
All I saw is it looked like he was on top of you, and I was like,
Kinda was.
You gotta go get Billy out. You see Billy out there? She's getting buried.
Well, sit tight, folks. It's gonna be a while. Welcome to the show, baby.
Go! Somebody get in it! Justin's not even helping! Go!
That was good. He's down. Oh! Saved it.
Big line bar.
Oh my God! Badass.
Oh, there we go. Oh.
Nice. Do that again. That was huge. Hit it. He's thinking about it. Evan's going for it. Oh! Whoopsie.
What's up?
What's your name?
Andrew.
Nice to meet you.
How you guys?
Good, good.
You guys jump in? Not anymore.
Not anymore.
Oh! Biker down! Have a good one, guys.
That's it.
Here you go, Devin. Oh!
Wow! Come on, baby! Let's go!
Hey! You lost your horns!
Those horns! Woo! Oh, I'm done. Never again.
That felt so good.
Was it better than the last time?
Yeah, I didn't hit my nuts this time.
There you go. Damn! Oh, no, he's all right. He got up though.
Yeah, I tried.
See, I heard him say try.
You saw me hit it, right?
Yeah, I saw you.
Yeah,
That's
there
right,
you go.
that's right, that's right.
That's
He
what's
went
up.
pretty far.
Yeah.
So far, I overjumped it.
Hell yeah.
Get out here. What's happening, boys?
Yeah.
Big fans. Oh, appreciate it. We always watch your guys' channel and get pumped out here.
Hell yeah.
It's because of you guys. He calls beard med kids. Like, you're his good
Oh.
You're the med kid. I'm like, those guys.
Hell yeah.
Good to meet you guys. About to get pot for no flag. Place your bets. Here we go. I knew it. That didn't take long. What's going on, man? Oh, broke off.
Oh, okay.
I just noticed.
I could see you had one.
Yeah. Oh, I always rock one.
Alright, cool. You got your registration?
Oh yeah, right here.
You got a spare one?
A whip? Oh yeah. I got a
okay.
few spares, yeah. I didn't even notice it broke off, but I always keep one.
Alright, well, there you go. If you don't, this is your buddy, right?
Yeah, yeah.
If you can just stay close to him, go back to camp, get a whip,
Okay.
replace it. I just don't want anyone to get hurt.
All right. Can I borrow yours? It's all good.
All right,
I'll
cool.
do that, man.
Sounds good.
Thank you. There she is. Yee. What's going on? I just got stopped by your buddy.
Oh, alright.
Yeah, he just gave me a nice warning. I was trying to look for my group, see if they have an extra one. If not, I'm going straight back to camp.
I think you might know. So.
Yeah. Right on. Twice. Dude, twice in 2 minutes.
Yeah, it's gonna happen again if we leave now or not. The boat is back. Yeah. That's dope. Car. Get sideways up in there. Sick truck. Oh. Alright, then I can do it again. I took too much time to clean the yoke. Why did he give you one of his flags? Sunset, bitch. Shutting them down again.
Yeah, that's our cue to exit. Oh yeah. Woo! Alright, damn girl. Where you going? Damn girl, what's up?
I just ran out of gas. Yep. Give me a nice push. I ran out of gas.
Want some gas? Start it?
Shoot.
Huh?
That would be a lot better than pushing.
Yeah.
I appreciate it, man.
Nah, no problem, man. Anything.
Thank you.
He was so close.
That should be plenty. Thank you.
No problem.
Hey, he couldn't have been any closer. We're right there.
Another beautiful sunset. Can anybody guess what we're grilling? You'll never guess. Shit, I bet you guys never thought we'd be cooking this right now, huh?
I don't think we've ever seen this. This is Gramis right here.
Yeah, have you guys even heard of this? Looking good. Damn! Oh yeah. She's stuck. Devin, hook up your truck in front of his. Double pull. Come
I'll
on.
put my truck in the front. I'll push it.
There you go. I'm gonna double truck it. Alright, take two.
I think you said it was 100.
Literally with two trucks.
Okay, go! Hit it! Go! Go, go, go!
look at your truck.
Nah, no.
I don't think it moved an inch. Watch out, watch out.
What's the problem?
He's underneath the wheels. Hold on.
Oh, it moved. It moved.
Hey, it did move. Yeah, go back.
Don't ever go forward. Alright, he might need a push.
No. There you go. Oh, it definitely moved.
Yeah.
Yeah, uh-oh is right. That one didn't work.
Hit it!
It went forward.
Alright, we got it this time.
You're gonna pull it now because it's going reverse.
Come on! Ow! Go, 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 stop!
Nice, let's go!
That Glamis life.
That's right. Let you know. Happy Christmas.
Happy Christmas! We out here! Holy all gone up. We out here. Baby. Come on, what more do you want, people? Happy New Year!
We out here.
Come on. Take two.
That's the cutoff.
Happy Christmas.
Alright, Alpha Fresh jump start. Devin's trying to tow this trailer out. Let's see. Damn.
My old truck would have done it.
I know that's right. There you go. You had it. Woohoo! Time for some daddies. Get your fresh merch here at Daddy's. Let's go.
You guys' videos are badass.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah, I appreciate it.
Keep watching.
I saw. I was like, holy shit. I was watching it last night.
Hell yeah, this thing's badass, man. What's your name? Yeah. Hell yeah. This thing's sick. Mobbing. Putting this 4-wheel drive to the test. Dooning.
Let's start giving out little ones they flowers while they here. Because it's crazy out here. One day you're here, the next day you could.
Just watch this guy launch it off this dune. Holy f. Let's go see if he's alright. He caught like air. Oh yeah, he's toast.
Holy.
It's a red school.
Oh, it's working. Ew! It's working.
We out here, Gigi.
Yeah, it's Fatso. Yeah, shout out to Hector hooking us up.
Come on.
Woo! Oh yeah. We're taking the new truck to the hill. Let's roll. Got the lift kit, got some new 35s on there. We bumping some 42 Doug with some 4x4. Oh shoot, watch out for those bushes. Come out of
hit.
They come out of nowhere, I'm telling you. They don't mess around. We out here.
This is where I start got engine 82 of those.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Jesus. Woo, testing out 4-wheel drive out.
Come on.
Damn straight. Oh yeah, you are.
Hill's popping tonight.
Where are we gonna park?
Shit, I don't know. One of the real ones are still here in Glamis.
Come on.
Yeah, hold on to your beer. I mean soda. Blur that out. Woo, just barely found parking.
Barely.
13 minutes.
How was it compared to the 2-wheel drive?
2-wheel drive's a lot more fun.
Here we go. Oh, what the hell? Cheap ass gas.
Right? You wondering down or what?
There we go. Slow
Oh
start.
gosh.
Time release gas.
No wonder you're gonna keep on.
Right?
I mean, you didn't have to work for the rest of your life.
Right?
Thing's sweet. Hell yeah. There's like 10 of us out here now, just vibing.
Come on. Where you at? Should be here.
Who?
You.
Oh.
In the camera. You.
Those aliens?
I think they went to the moon too.
So freaky. That's our type of trailer right there. Come on.
The Happy Grim.
Happy time. One day, right here. We out here, baby. Take two. What'd you get?
Got the new battery, new cold air intake, little trans cooler. Come on.
Damn, look at that.
Don't waste no time.
Nah. Does it
Feel
start
like
every
30.
time now?
Every time. That's so nice.
Is
Talk
that-
about a luxury.
That damn battery followed you from truck to truck. What was up with that?
Oh, tell you.
Some Brother Fab?
Hell yeah.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
Look at that. Get you some. Oh yeah, he's got a lift kit coming for this thing too. How big you going?
Just 4. That's it.
Just 4, just average? There's that? No, that's pretty damn big actually. That's pretty damn big if you ask me.
Whoopsie.
What do we have here? Look what Devin did. That's some brand new methods, 35s, a lift kit, limo tent. This is insane. How long have you had the truck for?
Like a week and a half.
Oh, nice. That's what's up.
Starts.
Ready for Glamis. All littered up. Ready for another Glamis trip. She looks good with the bikes in there. She's shiny now. I'm jealous. Come on, like, comment, subscribe, and buy the merch so I can get me a truck finally. I'm still borrowing my brother's Tahoe. Had to stop, get some gas. Truck looking fresh. The bike's back there. You. Couple cold ones by this big ass fire we got going on here. Just vibing. Which is weird. We're usually the last to get to camp, but we're the first ones this time. Look at that. That's a big ass pole, Devin.
Like that?
Jesus, look how big that thing is. That thing is huge.
Making it too easy for him.
Now it says Coors Light. America first, though. Look at this thing, dude. It's got some girth.
Easy, buddy, easy.
Look at that. Looks like I'm leaking oil. I don't know, that ain't good. Might not be riding this trip. Time to eat. Oh, this thing's sick. Oh shit, what's up?
Nice to meet
How's
you.
it
I saw
going?
your videos.
I appreciate it.
Yeah. Keeps me busy during the week when I can't be out here.
Hell yeah. That's awesome.
Nice to see you guys.
You too. Nice. Looking good. Comment down below who wants a flag. Alright, for the first ride of the day, we're hopping in these cars. Let's get it. Like 8,000. Holy dude, this is the fastest car I've ever been in. Woo.
There he goes.
This thing just wants to go. Dude, everything and getting around, baby. This thing is crazy.
I'm selling it all.
I'm telling you, this is that was only like a 5-minute ride, but it's the craziest ride of my life. Holy, we out here. Like, comment, subscribe, and buy the merch so I can get me one of these rails. This is gonna be me and Devin one day, right here. Just sending it. Said he's pushing like 800 horsepower. Felt like 2,000. Look at it, it's all motor. Look at that. We out here, baby. Me and Devin are switching rides.
Is it? Yeah. How bad? 240? Oh, that's like me.
Dude, that was wild. How was it, Devin?
Yeah. He doesn't know what to say. Not a good co-pilot, dude. I ain't been to nothing this fast, dude. No way. This is a whole different Glamis right here.
Almost makes me want to sell a dirt bike.
Yeah, I'm gonna sell the whole lot and get me one of these.
Oh shoot, that ain't good. So what happens when you actually drive your cars?
Good thing Danny's got the full. That's what a full send will get you right there.
Dead ass. Overheating a little bit here. This is we got some extra water for it, for the coolant.
Water.
It's so sick. Nice!
Not worth it.
That sounded like it hurt.
Not worth it like it hurt.
Look at your head.
Yeah. So I landed on first.
Shout out to these guys, hooking up with some extra water bottles. Thank you guys. Looks like your car drank a lot of Coors Light.
Bikes are fun, but this right here.
Hey, dirt bikes for sale. That's what's up.
Yeah, we got two Hondas for sale.
Hey, it's not leaking oil anymore. Take that back. It's for sale though. Like, comment, subscribe, buy the merch. You see us in some rails soon. I'm gonna work on getting my rail fixed for next season. That's my goal. It's official. You thought I was bull. Damn, Devin don't play. Devin was holding on to that ocean handle way too good. You're using two hands on that thing, goddamn.
Nah, just one.
That's one long one. Put in some work.
Should've been like that. I'm just gonna re-weld it.
Yep.
And sand it again.
Put some duct tape on it, electrical tape, whatever.
I got some zip ties.
That'll work. All right, we also got a slightly used shock spring for sale. Yep. Hit us up.
Gonna make a chain out of that.
The sunset is crazy. Gas him up, night ride!
You ain't down? You ain't down? Yeah, you drive with two hands. That's a night ride with no steering wheel. Stay in school, kids, alright?
It's optional.
Hey, optional is him making it back, okay?
That
Stay in
too.
school, kids.
That too.
There's Anthony, look at him. He's good to go.
Yeah.
9-9.
Ah, now he's up. You woke him up. Damn.
He's got the bob.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, he back. Got a second win.
Oh, nice. Yeah, we launched it there.
Some more. Gotta give me one of those. Sanddunes! You're going far, bro. Have you jumped yet?
Jumped enough today.
Hilarious. You jumped enough today.
This should be good. Hit the jump! Oh, that's bent.
You can see it right here, right here. Then you see it in that arm too.
Yeah, because
Right
you
here.
can see it crack.
Top one. Top one. Staying straight. They might make it back on that one.
Look how big that thing is. Goals right there. And he's got a long one. Holy. Damn. Lane's at home being lame because it's his new name.
Yeah, what's up, lame? You probably not even gonna watch this.
Probably not.
Hey, Lane's in love.
Yep.
Come on, hey, we all make mistakes,
Hey,
you
I'm
know?
in love with the dunes. I'm in love with glamour.
Come on, what more do you want? Look at this. We out here, baby. We out here.
We're about to test out the new lift kit. Let's go.
Your living room is hot. Greasy, allergic to when the try. I'm the fireman.
This is way too smooth. Okay, get back the fucking Prerunner.
Get in. Mary flannel, bro, I'm dressed like Craig. Get in.
What happened?
Dropped the brand new phone, had to break it in.
There you go.
You should make it. That's it? That's it?
Come on.
You need to give it enough gas.
No, he didn't. He's scared.
Just kidding.
What happened?
Just kidding.
What happened there, Devin?
I changed my mind, dude. You know what? Nah, not tonight. Come on now, this is the man behind the channel. Putting in work, giving you guys some free entertainment. Hope you like it. Gas them up! Damn, that didn't work. Night ride! Safety meeting! Oh, damn, he out. Uh-oh. Alright, stay tuned. Alright, he might be sleeping, but he never spilled a drop. Oh, that's not a Coors Light. What the buddy? Come on now.
Look at that. Come on, like, comment, subscribe, and buy the merch. This could be us. I'll ride a Can-Am. I don't give a Actually,
You ain't gonna ride that bike though.
yeah.
Alright, got some more fans spotting us out here. What's up, guys? We out here.
Good. Hell
How you
yeah.
guys doing? What's your name?
Ralphie.
Nice to meet you.
I've been watching your videos, dude.
How you doing, Devin?
This is my daughter.
What's up, man?
Baby, and this Junior.
Alright, you guys having fun out here? Right on. Definitely appreciate it.
No flag. Where's it at? I'm gonna write you a ticket. Sticker's still there. I'm defacing federal property. Suck my fat bitch.
How you really feel about it?
Just like that. It's always something. Wave him down, Devin. It looks like he has a jack back there. Oh, come on. It's like God's talking to us. Is it?
Yeah.
Appreciate it, man.
Yeah, right. Yeah, right.
She was screaming the whole time. She put a GoPro on her helmet so you could hear her the whole time. Take me back to the camp and she could follow you all day. I ain't being a passenger.
Right.
Like and subscribe.
So what happens when you get out here every day?
You telling me? That was a big one too. It's like a donkey.